In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Notion page to another workspace. This is perfect when you've built something useful in one workspace and want to reuse it elsewhere without rebuilding from scratch. We'll go from your original page to a clean copy in the destination workspace, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so nothing gets lost. Start by opening Notion and selecting the page you would want to copy. Make sure you're on the top level page you intend to duplicate, not just a nested block. When the page is open, look toward the top right and click Share. This is where you control who can access the page and how. Next, click Publish. Publishing creates a public shareable version of your page that can be duplicated into another workspace. You're not changing the original content, you're simply allowing a copy to be made elsewhere. If your page includes sensitive information, consider removing or redacting it first, because publishing makes it accessible to anyone with the link. In the confirmation that appears, click Publish again to finalize it. You should now see options confirming the page is live. Now, copy the link. Use the copy link icon in the share area to place the public URL on your clipboard. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. This opens the published version of your page outside your original workspace view, which is exactly where the duplication option becomes available. On the published page, look for the duplicate button or duplicate icon at the top right. Click it, and Notion will prompt you to choose where the copy should go. Select the workspace you want to receive the page. If you use multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you're signed into the correct one, so it appears in the list. To finish, choose Add to Private. This places the duplicated page into the private section of the selected workspace, where only you can see it until you decide to share it. The copy includes the page's content, subpages, and database structures. Keep in mind that permissions and integrations don't transfer. You'll set those up fresh in the new workspace. That's it. The page is now safely duplicated in your chosen workspace. After you confirm the copy is there and looks right, you can return to the original page's share settings anytime and unpublish if you don't need the public link anymore. This workflow is quick, reliable, and great for templates, docs, and project hubs you want to reuse across teams.